Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installing in your device. Now just open the application, here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to the OK. And as can you see right now we got the temperature of our battery, that's 28.1 degrees. So also we got here now, as can you see, that just changed to the 28.5 and 5. So now we got here also the level of our battery, the health of our battery, the capacity, and also the model of our device, the Android version, and more other information. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.